Hi, my name is Ashish, and this is the new video for Azure DevOps series that we are doing. In this video, we will see how to change individual or group permissions and grant select access to specific functions in your Azure DevOps. Alright, so the standard way for permissions to occur to individuals are by adding user accounts to one or more built-in security groups. If we want to give more users the level of access, then we made a specific group and then we add users to those groups. However, in certain instances, you'll want to grant additional permissions to select individuals, but perhaps not all permissions. Like if there is a group, you want to add a user, but you want to add that same user, or you want to give a special permission to that one more user as well. So for example, you might want to grant several individuals the ability to add or edit area and iteration paths, but not all have the permissions available to members of the project administrator group. And so there are three ways to change permissions for an individual, which are we create a custom Azure DevOps security group and then set the permissions or define permissions for that group and then add that user account to the group. And for object level permissions, add the user account and set permissions. For project or collection level permissions, search for the user account and selectively change their permissions assignments. All right, so first, the way that we're going to do is to create a custom security group. So I am in my projects. If you don't know, then log on to your Azure DevOps and then you would see your first project. Click on your first project and then you are in your first project. On the left hand side at the bottom, you'll see project settings. Click on project settings and then go to the security tab. It'll take some time, few seconds. Okay, now you create a group here. Group name is test. Description, this is a test security group. Create group. Now you have the test security group here. Now you can set the permissions here. Okay, you want to allow this group to create tag definition. You want this group to create test runs. You want the members of this group to manage only the test environments. You click on Save Changes here. And then you can go to Member Sections and click on Add to add the specific members. So if you would see, you will only see this. You can add it, click on Save Changes. That's how, if you will go under members, you will see the name. And when you want to remove, or you can take the member of tab, it is the subgroup of the project valid users. You can remove it. You can check the details. DevOps valid user group cannot be modified directly. Okay. Then you click on members. You want to remove any members, click on remove and you'll refresh it. You'll see that the member has been removed. So this is how you create a security group. Under the project settings, add the members, change their permissions and then set the permissions accordingly. Okay, now let's say that you do not want to change the permissions on a group level. You want to change permissions or grant additional permissions to one of your users individually. So under the project settings and the security tab, you will type the name of the group or a user here. Under the filter users and group section, under the create group tab, it will list the name. Okay. And now when you see the permission, then you see the member of tab of this user. I am the project administrator. I am my first project team. And here are the permissions. So let's say if you would have more users in your project, then you can click here. It will be denied. It will be allowed inherited. The reason they are inherited because I am the project administrator. And let's say if you would click on allow, you can save the changes here. You can undo your changes here. And that's how you set permission for an individual user on the project level or on this particular Azure DevOps main homepage. This is your organization name. Right, and this is my second organization. And when you go to the project, you change the permissions or add users on the organization level or under the project settings inside the security tab. All right, so this was the video for to show you how you can change the individual or group permissions and grant select access to specific functions or the projects on the organization level as well to the users. I hope this was informative to you, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.